Welcome to Module 6, Topic 1, Lesson 1, Get data from other sources. Data is a group of letters, symbols, and numbers that a computer can perform operations upon to create useful information. The data can be manipulated in different ways to create useful information. Data can be obtained from many different sources. Each time you enter your name and other information into a website to purchase an item or add your name to a mailing list, you are entering data that the computer will later use to perform a task for users of the data. You can store data in different types of files. Excel will allow you to use those files to enter the data into your Excel worksheet. To import data from other sources, select the Data tab. Then, on the Get and Transform Data tab, select to get data from the source of your choice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic. Import data from .txt file.